Welcome, beautiful soul. You have arrived here at the perfect moment. Right now, your spirit has guided you to this space of deep healing, transformation, and renewal. This is your time, your sacred moment to let go, reset, and awaken to your highest self. Before we begin, find a comfortable space where you can relax without distraction. Sit or lie down, ensuring your body is fully supported. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold for a moment. And exhale slowly, releasing any tension. This journey is an invitation to return home to yourself, to reconnect with your inner essence, and to align with the powerful flow of healing energy that already exists within you. Trust that this process is working for your highest good. Trust that you are safe, supported, and divinely guided. Let's begin by bringing full awareness to your breath, the bridge between body and spirit, between the physical and the divine. Breathe in deeply through your nose. Feel the cool air filling your lungs, expanding your chest, your belly, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing all tension, all resistance. Again, inhale deeply, filling your entire being with fresh vital energy. Hold, and now exhale, letting go of stress, worry, and any energy that does not serve you. As you continue to breathe deeply and rhythmically, feel yourself sinking into a space of stillness, a space of deep calm, a space where time slows and your body softens. Now begin to visualize a warm golden light forming at the center of your chest. This light is your inner healing energy, pure, radiant, and limitless. With each breath, this golden light expands, spreading through your body like a soothing wave of warmth and tranquility. Now, in your mind's eye, imagine yourself standing at the entrance of a sacred healing sanctuary. This is a place of profound peace, a space created just for you. What does your sanctuary look like? Is it a lush emerald forest bathed in golden sunlight? A peaceful temple hidden within the mountains? A tranquil beach where the waves gently kiss the shore? Take a step forward and feel the solid ground beneath you, anchoring you, grounding you, connecting you deeply to the earth. With each step, you are moving closer to peace, closer to healing, closer to your truest self. Ahead of you, a radiant pool of golden light awaits, shimmering, alive, pulsing with divine energy. This is not ordinary water, this is liquid light, infused with the power to cleanse, restore, and rejuvenate every part of your being. You step forward, allowing the warm, glowing energy to rise up around your feet. As it touches your skin, you feel a gentle tingling sensation, like a soft electric current moving through you, dissolving all tension, all pain, all resistance. You move deeper, immersing yourself completely in this golden light. The energy flows into every muscle, every fiber, every cell, bringing renewal, healing, and deep, infinite peace. Now, bring your awareness to your physical body. Visualize this golden healing energy entering your bloodstream, traveling through your veins like a river of liquid gold. It moves into your heart, expanding its capacity for love, peace, and deep emotional healing. Your heart beats stronger, freer, unburdened by past wounds. The healing energy moves into your lungs, clearing away any tightness or heaviness. Every inhale fills you with pure, vibrant energy. Every exhale releases old emotions, stored tension, and unnecessary fears. Now, feel this golden light traveling through your nervous system, gently dissolving anxiety, stress, and overthinking. Your mind becomes clear, your thoughts become calm, and a deep sense of inner peace washes over you. Every organ, every muscle, every system within your body is absorbing this powerful healing light. Your immune system is strengthening. Your cells are regenerating. Your body is becoming lighter, freer, perfectly balanced. Now, allow this golden energy to expand beyond your body. Feel it radiating outward, surrounding you in a luminous aura of healing light. You are glowing with pure, infinite energy, fully aligned, fully connected, fully whole. This energy extends beyond your physical form, touching everything around you. It harmonizes with the vibrations of the universe, aligning you with abundance, joy, and profound well-being. You are now in complete flow with the divine. You are vibrating at the highest frequency of health, love, and light. Now, repeat these affirmations with me. Let them sink deeply into your subconscious, into the core of your being. My body is a vessel of divine healing energy. Every cell in my body radiates health, light, and vitality. I release all resistance and allow deep healing to flow effortlessly. I am whole, I am strong, I am completely at peace. I am aligned with perfect balance, strength, and well-being. These words are now encoded into your being. They are already true. You are already healed. You are already whole. Now, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the weight of your arms, the gentle rhythm of your breath, the sensation of the ground beneath you. Take a deep, slow breath in and exhale with a deep sense of gratitude for this healing experience. Know that this energy remains with you. You are renewed. You are restored. You are limitless. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this light with you throughout your day. And remember, you are always connected to this healing energy. You are healed. You are whole. You are divine. Thank you for allowing yourself to receive this deep healing meditation. Remember, the power to heal is always within you. Come back to this space whenever you need to recharge, reset, or reconnect with your higher self. If this meditation resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe to support this journey of healing and transformation. Sending you love, light, and infinite peace. Until next time, be well.